For years, we have been forced to believe that the price on the street corner is the price you have to pay at the pump. Not anymore. GasBuddy is having a sale on gas every day at thousands of stations across the United States. Introducing Deal Alerts. Save up to 25 cents just by opening your GasBuddy app and looking for the Deal Alert discounts. The app will show you the advertised retail price crossed out with the special discounted price you will pay. Simply tap the station with the discount you want, then the Activate button, and use your Pay with GasBuddy card at the pump. Cha-ching! You just took advantage of a GasBuddy Deal Alert, and the more you use the GasBuddy app, the more you will save. The discounts are dynamic, as in it's constantly changing. One day it could be a 5-cent markdown, and the next day it could be a 25-cent markdown at the very same station. So don't just check the app when you're running on empty. Look for great prices every day, and top off your tank for maximum savings. And that's it! Download the GasBuddy app and sign up for the free Pay with GasBuddy program, because you never know when there will be a huge sale on gas on your corner.